Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can actually style your charts on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is really easy to do. All you have to do is left click your chart, and once you do this you can either come up here to chart design, the chart design ribbon, or you can come over here to the little selection off here to the right, and you can select things like chart elements, where we can come in and we can add in things like chart titles, we could add in labels, we can add in error bars, trend lines, all sorts of stuff. In addition to that, we can also select different styles. So if I highlight these, you can see we have different styles available to us. So rather than you trying to recreate this yourself, you may find a out-of-the-box style that works for you. You could also come over here and change the color. So you can see right now I'm using a palette. You could also do like a monochromatic color, where you would just select something like an orange, and it would give you different shades of that color. So that is an option available to you as well. And like I said, you could also come over here to the chart design option on your ribbon, and you have more, some people may prefer this view because it's a little bit easier to read. So you can come over here and you can do the same things that you saw before, where you could add in things like access titles, you could add in data labels, add in legends, all that good stuff. In addition to that, you can also do quick layout, which allows you to go ahead and adjust the layout of your charts. You can see each one of these that I highlighted, it changes slightly. We can also do things like changing the color, like you guys saw before. And on here, we can also change the chart type. So in case you wanted to change it from a clustered column to maybe a stacked column, you could do that here as well. I don't really like that. I'm going to go back to where we were. And if you come over here to format, you also have some additional options available to you as well, where you could change things like your shape styles. So you can see it's a pretty drastic change with some of these background colors, but that's an option available to you. Or if you want to, you can also come in and you could just maybe make more subtle changes and individual changes to things like fill, and outline and shape effects. And you could also edit the word art styles as well. So that is a quick tutorial on how you can actually reformat and edit your chart here. And then if you select your chart, you can also do things like changing the size by coming over to the corner here, and you can adjust the height and the width at the same time. Maybe you just want to adjust the height. You can do that here and here. You can also adjust the width here and here, or you could also come over here to the format tab, and you could also adjust the height and the width there as well.